Understand the defining physical property of ionic compounds. Ionic compounds consist of a rigid, three-dimensional lattice of alternating positive cations and negative anions held together by strong electrostatic forces. Recall the conditions required for electrical conductivity. For a substance to conduct electricity, it must contain charged particles that are free to move, mobile. Analyze the conductivity of ionic compounds in different states. In the solid state, the ions are tightly locked in fixed positions within the crystal lattice and cannot move. Therefore, solid ionic compounds do not conduct electricity. In the aqueous state, when dissolved in water, the water molecules separate the ions from the lattice, allowing them to move freely as mobile carriers of electric charge, electrolytes. Compare with molecular, covalent substances. Many soluble molecular substances, such as sugar, C12H22O11, also form white crystalline solids and dissolve in water. However, when molecular solids dissolve, they separate into neutral, uncharged molecules rather than ions. As a result, their aqueous solutions do not conduct electricity. Formulate a diagnostic test. Testing whether an aqueous solution of the substance conducts electricity is the most definitive way to distinguish an ionic compound from a molecular compound, making option D the correct choice. The correct answer is option D, testing the electrical conductivity of an aqueous solution of the substance.